Hello everyone. In today's video, we will be learning about a very important new topic that is called as patterns. So in this video, if you can see, we have a pattern over here given. These are called as the rows and these are called as the columns. To simply print a line of asterisks like this, we can simply use a for loop. But before that, let me just show you how to print a single asterisk on our screen. This is my main method and I will be writing simply print a star. I'm printing it and it will just show me a single asterisk over here. If I will print this, it will just print it like this. That is it. But if I want to print more asterisks, I can use the for loop. How many times do you want to print the asterisks? You can simply type it in the loop and you can simply print it. Please make a note, if you are writing print ln, the asterisks will be printed in the form of columns. If you are writing print, they will print it in the form of the rows. So there are two directions as mentioned over here as well. So please notice, if you want to print a row, use print. If you want to print the asterisk to the next line, use print ln statement and then move on to print statement to print all of the asterisks. So if you want to print this line, we have used print. To move the cursor to the next line, write print ln. But for that, if you can notice, this is our first row, right? When the I will say I value is 0, J value will work for 0 to 4. That is, only the first row is printed with the 5 columns. So over here, 5 columns have been printed for the first row. So for the second row, I will write another loop over here which will manage for the column work. So I will write here j is less than 5. And now when the first row will finish its work, I will tell it to move on the cursor to the next line and then print the next, like this. Similarly, when I will write it over here, I and j. When I is equal to 0, j will work for 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And every time I value will be 0. So when it will be 0, it will print an asterisk on our screen. Because it is print statement, therefore it will print the asterisks in this format. But when the first j loop will complete, the I will get incremented to 1. And j has to again start from 0. In this very statement, we are telling it, see, the j loop will finish its works for the first time and then we have told print ln statement to print in a new line, to move the cursor to the new line. Therefore, the cursor will be in the new line and then only the next line will get printed. Similarly, when I is equal to 1, j will again work for 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And I will be equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is how the next row will get printed and the cursor will move on and the next lines will get printed. This is how to print out the first very pattern presented over here. Hope you guys understand the concept. Thank you very much.